like experimenting things, and I also like the STEAM lab.
This week, scholars at Ladera Ranch explore the scientific process through hands-on opportunities in the STEAM lab.
When I do stuff and it doesn't work, at that time I think of what I did wrong.
You get to do things like that you don't get to do in your classroom, and there's way more fun things in it because I like challenges.
Exploration continues at Orchard Hills as our Hawks work together in the lab.
Science is one of my more enjoyable subjects because I really like how teachers interact with students and the experience we go through, because it's not just one thing over and over again. Science isn't, there's a new thing every single day.
Students investigate the properties of a substance in order to solve an in-class mystery, as story-based assessments like this increase student engagement and understanding.
Well, I can really collaborate with other people and get other people's points of views. It's a very interesting plot in my opinion. It's just fascinating to me as well, just the individual properties of something, and also the fun in trying to guess which ones match up.
It's the second time we've used the plot in the actual assessment, and it's helped everyone in the class.
And at Beckman, our Patriots explore career opportunities in the medical field through the Medical Certificate Program.
We don't only teach students about the medical field, it's more about discovering who you want to be.
Through seminars, panel discussions, and hands-on labs, students gain an understanding of not just career pathways, but what pursuit of their aspirations will really entail.
So personal questions like that provide insight into what a person does, not just who they are as they're working.
With this knowledge, students pursue their passions with clear understanding of the commitment needed to succeed.
Learning more about these different careers in medical field, I think it's so valuable when you're young.
It shapes our future, and it basically gets the next generation of people ready and get them exposed to what they enjoy.